Hey guys, Quinn the Eskimo. Canteen Cup Tuesday. Didn't expect to do anything. Actually, I did something last night. I was out, got home last evening. We got a ton of clams and some huge oysters. And I'm going to try to grill these oysters. 3-inch would be ideal, which I normally get, but these things are monsters. How they'll come out, I don't know. Backwoods Gourmet has a recipe for grilled oysters. And the sauce you put on there, tablespoon of hot sauce, tablespoon of key lime juice. Don't have it, I put lemon juice on there. And some Kerry Gold butter. That's what he used, and I use that anyway. So it's really good stuff. So I'm actually going to baton some little cedar pieces with my Mam Portuguese pocket knife, which you've seen. And I just took out my little Mora 510 out here. I got it to Hidden Woodsman at the New England Craft Show. But this is ornamental grass with some twine in there. I don't know how good it'll be. Vern's flint and steel. Pine cones got at the golf course. Plus I got little ones over my daughter's house. But I'm going to be using charcoal, and I'm going to be using that chunk wood, Wood USA. So got my little setup down here. You can take a look at it. It's like a double brazier. I might bring that out to my camp. A little safer for building campfires out there. This camp I'm going to have eventually. So. And my canteen cup and my cooking in it this time, you know, I'm going to have, I don't know if I'm driving today, so I'm going to have this again. It's not an alcoholic beer, it's pretty good. I'm going to have it in the canteen cup. Last night in one of the videos, you'll probably see it, I was scooping the clam broth with the butter into this, and I sipped it out of this, and I have this, so it'll be part of the deal. But, oh my God, it was delicious. But I still got a ton of clams left. My buddy from the Azores, he says, yeah, their family, they clean the clams and throw them right in the freezer and you can use them. I never heard of that, but I know I go in a Portuguese store, they do that. They have them back. So I have a lot of clams, so I'm going to do that too. But these oysters are huge. So the next part will be opening some of the oysters. Hopefully it'll open up. We'll see what condition they're in. I don't know. I mean, they're big, man. You can make a meal out of just one of them. But, yeah, we're going to get to it, man. Okay? We'll be back. Hey, guys. Lighted fire. We got flint steel here. Char cloth. Not sure how good this char cloth is. But, give it a shot. There we go. Okay. So you get it in there. Not a big piece. Here we go. You got this. Now we're going to put it down here into here, and I'm going to see if we got it on here. There we go. We'll throw a little pine cone on there from the golf course. Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff here, man. We'll get her going. Another little pine cone. That wasn't the stand's fault, that was my fault this time. But throw some stuff on there. Throw a little bit of charcoal on there. A little wood. Hopefully the wind will kick in now, you know. Got the fire going down there. See it going down there. But this wind is really howling out here. Little kit. Vern's. Little flint. Got that from Vern too. Dirt cheap at the show. But yeah, man. Got the fire going now. Shut this off a second. Got more control on it now. But yeah. We got it going now. I'm going to throw some charcoal on there, throw some wood on there. We got to cook some oysters. But a little regular charcoal. Yeah, I might use this stove up in the woods. My camp that I'll be working on little by little. I think it might be just a little safer. But yeah, I got a little bit of wood. I think you've seen it in one of my other videos here. But yeah. It'll be alright. My dog's into everything. They're after chipmunks. But yeah, we're going to be okay today, man. Try to cook these big oysters. So I'll this grill comes right, yeah, I can put this grill down with this little device there, little hook. But yeah, man. So let me shut this off a second. It's cool. A little mam knife. A piece of cedar. A toning with a small little pocket knife. Oh my God. There you go. See that? Little Portuguese pocket. I love this pocket knife. It's really good. But these are little pieces of cedar. So you get some real nice small pieces. In fact, I might save these pieces, just throw them in my kit, because they are cedar. It's pretty good. Fire's going good. We'll save some of these pieces, especially the small ones. Even get these now small. It's just a nice little knife. You see a little burn mark on there? That's from using the fire steel. It takes the fire steel real nice. So, yeah. Great little pocket. It's like an Opinel, you know. It's cool. Now, any wooden knife like this, when it gets submerged in water, it'll get really tight and hard to open. But it dries out, and then you're fine. So, I'll get back to you. I'll get this fire going, and then we'll open up some oysters. I should have a glove on. I see he used a paring knife. If I used a paring knife, I would cut my fingers. Never use a folding knife. Dull oyster knife or combination knife like I had there. But they could be trouble, man. You know? Oh, damn. See, part of the shell broke off in the bottom. I'm going to give a little tap. There you go. It's alright, that's just the bottom. There she goes, man. Nice. Nice. One more here. I know it's kind of boring opening. Did you see, now see that opening right in there? That's a space in there. You see that right in there? The knife goes in there. See that? I didn't get an angle on it, but there's space in there. So that's how you get open. You need a real strong knife. I don't know how that little one will hold up, but it works good when you're going around. But oh yeah, see, I mean, she's in there. These things are stronger than me, man. I'm an old timer, you know. But yeah, man. Damn. I'm gonna give it a little tap. Downside to giving a tap, you lose some of the juice. But I'm gonna run it right across. I got it open. I'm gonna run it across. You got it, man. Look at that. Oops, I don't know which one was top or bottom, but we're gonna keep it in there. We're not gonna separate it, he said. There you go. The other one, I'm not tempted to suck this down, but not right now. Not this time of year. But take my little poker, mix this fire up a little bit. Here's your oysters, man. Okay? Look at that. Nice. That nice? Look at that. Damn, these be like steaks. Could be tough steaks though. I don't know. But I know what we can do here. I don't know if you can see the fire. Okay, so I'm gonna put this grate down. Heavy stuff there. Heavy stuff. I'm going to start these puppies on there now. I'll start putting them on there now. Big one there. Rotate them. Put them there. Got him. Just taking this camera off. I just want to show you. Again, nice solid little oyster knife. I got a couple like this. This will work too. Probably in a small oysters. It work for clams too. Sometimes clams could be tough. But I got plenty of clams. I'm gonna put clams on it too. I don't know. But this one oyster didn't open, so I had a tough time with it. So I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to put it on the fire, and we'll let it open. But just remember, never open clams, oysters, or anything with a folding knife. I have a scar on my finger. It's almost gone, the scar, but got it when I was a kid. You're coming home rushing, oh, let me get the clam, pocket knife. No. You're lucky you have a finger left. But yeah, I'm going to just put this on there. Another thing is sometimes shells have little pockets. There's double shells with the oysters. They could pop. So just to let you know. So I'm going to shut this off right now. I'm going to get the sauce and then we'll put it on. Here's where the canteen cup comes in. Open this up with this little tool I have. It has a saw and everything, and I keep it in my little secret pocket, we call it. But yeah, and I put a little shield that I use when I camp. I'm going to change over here. Let's see if we can see a little shield. I don't have a. This is not a regular grill. Kind of like a double brazier. And so to do the oysters, I put that on there. You've seen this in some of my frozen toad videos. I use it to. It's a shield. So I'm going to put this sauce along with some Parmeassano-Regiano cheese. It's already grated up. We grated it. I'm going to put that on the oysters. So I'll get back to you. But yeah, that's what we're going to do.